Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is HMD Arc phone. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable magnification on this device. So let's get started. First of all, open settings on your phone and let's scroll down until you find section accessibility. Now under display section you will find here magnification. Let's tap it and please enable magnification. Now your phone introduces you to magnification shortcut. This is this button, and if you want to use magnification, if you want to magnify your screen, you want to tap this button, and here you have option to magnify your screen. So you can zoom in using your two fingers like this and zoom out as well. So if you don't want to use magnification anymore, simply tap on this button one more time and your screen will return to its regular size. Additionally, you can set another magnification type by entering this section over here, and you can select magnify full screen, part of the screen, or you can simply switch between full and partial screen. So let's select this option just to show you, and of course don't forget to save it. So now if I set partial screen, next time that I want to magnify my screen, I will see just this part of my screen that could be that is magnified. You can use this control in order to set specific position of this window that is magnified, and it acts like lens. If you want to close this, again simply tap on this button. Okay, and that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and see you in the next one.